So my hair is like actually stuck in here right now. Stuck again. And we're stuck again. Stuck again. Hi, I'm Dana and welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Babyliss MiraCurl SteamTech. This is their automatic curler, the one that has steam in it. And I'm going to see if it's going to, 1, be easy to use, 2, be quick to use, and 3, if the curls will last. Now, I typically like to have my hair done with a flat iron, but I have a very difficult time curling my hair with a flat iron. I prefer curls because it seems to make my hair shinier, they last longer, and my hair looks healthier when it's curled. But I haven't found a product yet that makes it easy to curl my hair and that also makes the curls last. Now, Babyliss and other companies have several of these automatic curlers, and I have been very hesitant to try it over the years, but I've been reading a lot of reviews, and since we can't really go out much at this time, I've decided to make it my mission to find that perfect product. Now, a lot of the reviews for the one with the steam say that it makes the curl last and it holds it really well. So let's find out. Let's see if this thing works. Place a section of hair no longer than 1 inch wide in the V section of the unit. Make sure that the open side of the MiraCurl is always positioned facing the head. Position the machine where you want to start the curl. Close the handles and hair will automatically be drawn into the curling chamber. If you chose the settings for no timing or the audio signal off first position, simply keep the handles closed until you're ready to remove the hair. When you choose time settings, 8, 10, or 12 seconds, the MiraCurl will start counting when you close the handles and then beep at regular intervals while the curl is being formed. The machine will signal 4 beeps in quick succession when timing is complete. It's a very nice curl. Apparently I put too much hair because it just got stuck, but nothing happened. I just was able to release it. So I'm going to take a little bit of hair out. I don't know if I'm loving the shape of these curls. Okay, so my hair is like actually stuck in here right now. I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, calm down. It's okay. It's not coming out very easy. Whew. Okay, it was stuck and it didn't come out very easy this time. Let's see, I'm just gonna try to make sure not to use a lot of hair, which I didn't think this was very much hair. Okay, here we go. I did not put very much hair in here and my hair is stuck again. try this again. A looser curl. A looser curl, I decrease the time. Stuck again. So I'm kind of halfway there. It definitely curls. They're really tight curls. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to the right side and feel a little bit confused. It feels very awkward. But still curls. And we're stuck again. Stuck again. So I think the reason that it keeps getting stuck is because it might be catching a few outside strands, like outside of the, that aren't supposed to be in the piece I'm trying to do. So let me try and remove more of my hair and see, get more of my hair out of the way and see if that helps. Yeah, I think that's better. I know I had too much hair. This does feel like it's taking a very long time because you can't use really big pieces, or as you've seen, you'll get stuck. So this is the finished product. and I'm not really loving these curls. It's not just that they're tight, they're also very small. You can't use a lot of hair in this. This felt like it took a very long time. I think it did. I think it took about an hour to do it because it kept getting stuck. I kept having to use smaller pieces and it was a little confusing, a little cumbersome. One thing we can do is see if these curls last. I typically don't brush out or comb out my curls. I just let them naturally fall. So I'm gonna see what this does here too, and we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Hello, and it is the next day, and this is my hair. So as you can see, the curls did last. So my overall thoughts of this product: was it easy to use? Yes, it's easy to use once you learn how to use it. I did have to look at the directions a few times. One thing I didn't like about it is that the buttons were not labeled, or at least I didn't see them. So I had to go back to the manual to see which button was which and which setting, where to position it, did what. So in that sense, it was a little cumbersome. Also, it's not very heavy, but it is a large product, so it takes some getting used to. But overall, it is easy to use and it does make a curl very easily. Does it take a long time? It didn't take me quite as long as I thought. It felt like forever because my hair kept getting stuck and I had to keep unplugging it, pulling my hair out, using really small pieces. That made it take longer, but overall it took about 45 minutes looking back. So it doesn't take that long, but longer than I would like. I think there may be products that, or something that should take less time. Again, if I could have used bigger pieces, that would have been better. Do the curls last? Yes, the curls do last. This is the product that had the longest lasting curls that I've tried, other than a flat iron. And flat irons are very difficult to make a curl. So yes, it does last. The curls do last, but I don't love the curl because you have to use smaller pieces. I prefer bigger curls. Again, this was my first time using it. Maybe with some practice and trying different settings, I may get a better or looser curl, but still the pieces are very small. So overall, would I recommend this product? Yes and no. For me, I get my hair done, so this is more of just a product I would use occasionally if I couldn't get my hair done, or for, you know, when we're quarantined. So I think the price as just in case product is a little high. I paid $103 on jet.com for it. Most other places like Amazon, I saw it was around $129. So it's a very expensive product, especially for someone that's not going to use it a lot. If you like these type of curls and you're going to use it often, I think it would be worth the investment because it does hold a curl really well. So those are my thoughts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.